Level up your English. 10. Essential idioms for fluency. How do you feel when you hear someone speak English so fluently that it sounds natural, effortless, and even fun? It's like they know a secret language that others can't quite crack. What? If I told you there's a simple trick to level up your English and sound just as confident? That secret is idioms. Today, we're diving into how idioms can not only improve your fluency, but also make you stand out in any conversation. Do you sometimes struggle to understand native English speakers? Or maybe you know the words but can't seem to speak smoothly? Learning idioms is one of the most powerful ways to boost your language skills and connect with others. Listening closely to how idioms are used in real conversations will make a huge difference. And the best part? Idioms don't just help you speak better. They add color, emotion, and depth to your communication. Imagine telling a story where the words don't just tell the facts, but they actually paint a picture of what you mean, making everyone feel like they're living the experience with you. Let's dive deep into this secret of language fluency that will take you closer to your goal of speaking English like a native. What are idioms? You've probably heard the word idiom thrown around, but what exactly are they? Simply put, idioms are phrases where the meaning is different from the individual meanings of the words. For example, when we say it's a piece of cake, we don't mean there's actually cake involved. Instead, it means something is very easy. Idioms are a core part of language, used by native speakers all the time. Without idioms, conversations would feel plain and boring, like watching a movie with no exciting plot twists. Idioms help us express ourselves in ways that sound more natural, colorful, and even emotional. When you use idioms in your speech, you'll notice how much more interesting and engaging your conversations become. Why learning idioms is crucial now? You may wonder, why should I focus on idioms? Aren't regular words enough? The truth is, idioms are crucial if you want to understand how native speakers think and speak. When you learn idioms, you'll understand their humor, sarcasm, emotions, and subtle expressions, making it easier to follow any conversation. Native speakers use idioms daily, and without them, you may miss out on important context or nuances. Using idioms also boosts your fluency. It's like putting on a new pair of shoes that fit perfectly. Once you know how to use idioms properly, speaking becomes much easier and more fun. You won't have to search for words or feel stuck because idioms allow you to say things more naturally, just like a native speaker would. You can start with simple stories. Tell a story about your childhood. Tell a story about your happiest day. Tell a story about your first time trying something new. It does not have to be perfect. It does not have to be long. Just tell it, speak it, share it. And every time you do, your English will get better and better. Remember, storytelling is not about big words. It is about feelings. It is about connection. It is about bringing pictures to life with words. You can also use pictures to help. Look at a picture and create a story from it. Maybe you see a picture of an old man sitting alone. Who is he? What is he thinking? What is his story? The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Soon, you will not just be learning English. You will be living it. Putting storytelling into practice now, let's do something fun. Think of your favorite place. Maybe it is a park. Maybe it is your grandmother's house. Maybe it is a beach with golden sand. Now, tell a story about that place. Why do you love it? What memories do you have there? What smells, sounds, and feelings come to your mind, or think of a time when something special happened to you? Maybe you helped a stranger. Maybe you lost something and found it again. Maybe you met someone who changed your life. Every story you tell will make your English stronger. Every word you speak will bring you closer to fluency, and one day you will realize something. You are not just learning English anymore. You are speaking it. You are feeling it. You are living it. You are here because you want to improve your English. You want to speak fluently. You want to understand people and be understood. You want to feel confident when you talk. But maybe sometimes you feel afraid. You feel stuck. You feel like no matter how much you study, your English is not getting better. I understand you. I know that feeling. There was once a young boy who wanted to learn English. He studied every day. He memorized grammar rules. He wrote hundreds of words in his notebook. But when he tried to speak, his mind went blank. He could not find the right words. He felt embarrassed. He wanted to give up. One day he met an old man. The man asked, "Why do you look so sad?" The boy said, "I want to speak English, but I can't. I forget everything when I try." The old man smiled. He gave the boy a book of short stories and said, "Read these stories aloud every day. Do not worry about mistakes. Just enjoy the stories." The boy followed his advice. Every day he read the stories out loud. At first he struggled. Some words were difficult. But he did not stop. After a few weeks, something magical happened. The boy started remembering words without effort. He started speaking without thinking too much. His sentences became longer, smoother, more natural. What changed? He stopped studying English like a subject. He started feeling English like a language. This is what storytelling can do for you. It can take you from feeling stuck to feeling free. It can help you learn naturally, just like a child learns their first language. So, my friend, do not give up. Do not be afraid. Do not think too much about mistakes. Just listen to stories. Tell stories. Live stories. Let's go deeper. Let's continue this journey together. How to listen to stories and learn. English faster listening is the first step in storytelling. But listening is not just hearing words. It is understanding. It is feeling. It is connecting. So how can you listen in a way that helps you improve? Let me tell you the secret. First, listen like a child. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just listen for the meaning, the emotions, the rhythm of the sentences. Second, listen again and again. The first time you may not understand much, but the second time you will understand more, and the third time even more. Repetition is the key. Third, close your eyes and imagine. When you hear a story, try to see it in your mind like a movie. If I say, "A small boy is running in the rain," do not just hear the words, see the boy, feel the rain, hear his footsteps. Fourth, listen and speak at the same time. This is a powerful trick. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat it aloud. Do this again and again. Soon, you will start speaking without effort. There was once a girl who struggled with English. She listened to English every day, but she did not improve.